So I've just finished plugging everything in. As you can see, everything's still out. The button's still out here. When you're drilling this hole, you should drill lower. Don't do it where I did it. Makes life much easier when you pull it from the other side. For the CAN wires, it doesn't really show you, but it's this one, the innermost one that you tap into, not this one out here. So for the CAN wires, I actually ran it along the back seats right here. You can still see the wire. It goes around. Actually tucked it in here and then followed through. And then I actually pushed it through here under, so you could pull it out. You could pull it up on both tabs and drag it through. And then I just tucked it all the way inside here. And here it is, follow through, and I'll tuck the rest in later. So they don't really tell you where to mount this. And the black piece that connects to the lock unit, I don't know if you can see it, it's not focusing. Well, it's that piece in there. Just to show you the inside of it, there's plenty of space. I'll probably mount it 3M double side mounted somewhere up here for the computer, and for the black piece somewhere down there under the taillights. So for the black lock unit piece, I actually ended up mounting it right there. So there's a slight 3M tape where you can't see. Oh, right there, you can see it a little bit. And I zip tied. There's a little mounting bracket that comes with. I zip tied it against this wiring and this piece right here that holds that computer or amp. Yeah, it's pretty well secured. It won't make noise when you're moving it. Ended up mounting it right here. It's not touching the sub, but it's really close. There wasn't any other spots that I could actually push it in, since the power cable was kind of short. I couldn't put it down there like I wanted to, or back there, since the wires doesn't fit all the way through. So this is where I have it, right here. When you're putting it back on the panels, be sure to take these off of here and install it back on here first before installing it. So the trunk button I ended up putting here. I think this is a recommended spot too, so not close to this side, not close to here, but you can. There's plenty of space behind it. It's just empty space behind. You can also put it on this side if you wanted. The wire's definitely long enough for that. So here you go, the finished product. All the wires all tucked in. All the rubber seals all bent back out. The button right here.